Hello everyone, welcome back to Machines Visit. Did you know that American farmers harvest more than 6.2 billion pounds of sweet corn every single year? That number is almost unbelievable. Sweet corn isn't just a healthy food. It's packed with fresh, naturally sweet flavor that makes it a favorite for family dinners across the country. But have you ever wondered what really happens before those golden corn cobs reach your plate? Today, we're going to uncover the incredible journey of sweet corn. From the endless fields where farmers work tirelessly with powerful machines, to the advanced factories where corn is transformed into products we all know and love, fresh corn, canned corn, and even the buttery popcorn that makes movie nights complete. So get ready, because we're about to step into the colorful and surprisingly complex world of sweet corn. Let's begin. Across vast and seemingly endless fields of sweet corn, an extraordinary process quietly unfolds. Turning these tall green plants into the delicious products we enjoy requires patience, precision, and the help of powerful modern technology. Typically, American farmers spend between 60 and 100 days carefully growing sweet corn. During this time, the plants slowly develop. Flowers appear, and eventually the golden cobs begin to form. But timing is everything. The moment the corn reaches the perfect stage of ripeness, farmers must move quickly. Waiting too long could reduce the quality, while harvesting too early means losing that signature sweetness. And when billions of pounds of corn must be collected every year, the task becomes enormous. That's why American farms rely on advanced harvesting machines designed to complete the job quickly, efficiently, and with incredible precision. First, let's take a closer look at the specialized harvesting machines built specifically to cut and separate the corn cobs. These powerful machines are equipped with sharp rotating blades that slice cleanly near the base of each plant. As the machine moves through the rows, the stalks are pulled in and processed almost instantly. The cobs are separated right on the spot, while the leftover plant material is discarded. Once separated, the corn cobs are gently transferred onto a soft conveyor belt. This belt carefully moves them into a large storage bin mounted on a truck driving alongside the harvester. The truck travels parallel to the machine, allowing the corn to be transferred directly from the field without stopping the harvest. This continuous movement keeps the process running smoothly and saves valuable time. This system works especially well in fields located near collection areas, where trucks can easily rotate in and out once a storage bin becomes full. However, in some extremely large fields, farmers use even more advanced harvesting machines. These machines are equipped with large built-in bins directly on the harvester itself. The process works in a similar way, but instead of transferring the corn to a truck immediately, the cobs are collected directly inside the machine's onboard storage. This allows the harvester to continue working independently, which is extremely useful in remote areas where trucks cannot stay close to the machine at all times. Eventually, when the onboard bin becomes full, the machine pauses briefly. At that moment, a waiting truck pulls up beside it, and the corn is quickly unloaded. The process only takes a short time, allowing the harvester to return to work almost immediately. Even though the machine must stop briefly to unload, its greatest advantage is flexibility. It can operate freely without depending on a truck constantly moving beside it. The introduction of modern machinery has completely transformed how American farmers harvest sweet corn. These machines don't just speed up the work. They have revolutionized the entire agricultural process. With the ability to cut close to the base of each plant, separate the cobs instantly, and transport the corn smoothly through conveyor systems, harvesting machines dramatically reduce the need for manual labor. At the same time, they help protect the quality of the corn. Each cob is handled carefully to ensure it remains fresh and undamaged as it travels from the field to the processing facility. This combination of speed and precision allows farmers to harvest enormous quantities of corn during the short harvest window. And during the busiest season of the year, that efficiency becomes essential. Modern machinery is especially valuable for large-scale farming operations, where thousands of acres must be managed at once. With machines handling the heavy work, farmers can focus more attention on improving crop quality and managing other important parts of production. However, despite all this technology, there are still places where sweet corn is harvested by hand. In these areas, farmers walk slowly along the rows of tall corn plants. One by one, They carefully pick the ripe golden cobs and place them onto conveyor belts supported by nearby machinery. These belts gently move the corn into specially prepared cardboard boxes, where the cobs are neatly arranged and protected from damage. Once the sweet corn has been harvested from the fields, the next step must happen quickly. To preserve its freshness, the corn is immediately transported to nearby processing plants. Here, the corn begins another carefully controlled journey. At the processing facility, each ear of corn travels along a conveyor belt toward an automatic husking machine. This machine removes the outer husk and silky fibers in seconds. At the same time, the corn is washed with water or sometimes lightly steamed to remove dirt and other impurities. After cleaning, the corn undergoes a careful inspection process to ensure it meets strict quality standards before moving forward. Only the best corn continues to the packaging stage. The approved cobs are neatly arranged into plastic trays or sealed inside vacuum-packed bags that help preserve their freshness. Each package is then labeled, placed into boxes, and prepared for distribution to supermarkets and grocery stores around the world. But the journey doesn't end there. While some of the harvested corn is sold fresh, another portion moves to a different processing line, where it will eventually become canned corn. In this stage, specialized machines carefully separate the kernels from the cob. These machines are designed to remove the kernels cleanly, ensuring they stay whole without being crushed or damaged. This process requires incredible precision because maintaining the shape and texture of each kernel is essential for quality. The kernels are then thoroughly washed to remove any dirt, impurities, or leftover particles from the harvesting and cleaning stages. This important step ensures the corn meets strict food safety standards before moving forward. Next, the corn is briefly boiled in hot water. This stage does more than simply cook the kernels. It helps preserve their freshness while enhancing the natural crisp sweetness that makes sweet corn so popular. After blanching, the corn is rapidly cooled using a method called hydrocooling. The kernels are either submerged in cold water or sprayed with chill mist to quickly stop the cooking process. This sudden drop in temperature is extremely important. It slows down enzymatic activity, prevents bacterial growth, and helps preserve the corn's bright color and crisp texture while extending its shelf life. Once cooled, the kernels are carefully placed into sterilized cans to maintain cleanliness and product safety. Before sealing, the cans are filled with the corn along with either salt water or light syrup, depending on the type of product the factory is producing. After filling, the cans move into a high-temperature sterilization process. This stage eliminates harmful bacteria or microorganisms that may still be present, while also ensuring the corn can be stored for long periods without spoiling. At the same time, this process protects the corn's natural flavor and preserves its nutritional value. Once sterilization is complete, each can is labeled with important product details and information. The cans are then packed into boxes and prepared for shipping. From there, these boxes of canned corn travel to supermarkets and stores around the world, where consumers can enjoy a convenient, delicious, and nutritious addition to their everyday meals. But canned corn isn't the only product made from harvested corn. A portion of the crop is also transformed into popcorn, one of the most popular snack foods in the world. The popcorn production process begins with selecting high-quality kernels. Any kernels that fail to meet strict quality standards are removed to ensure the final product performs perfectly. The selected kernels are then sent to popcorn machines where they are heated to extremely high temperatures. As the heat builds, pressure forms inside each kernel. Eventually, that pressure becomes so strong that the kernel suddenly bursts open, creating the fluffy popcorn we all recognize. Once popped, the popcorn is mixed with different seasonings such as salt, butter, or other flavorings depending on the product being made. This mixing process ensures that the flavor spreads evenly across every piece, creating a consistently delicious snack. Afterward, the popcorn may also be coated with caramel, chocolate, or spicy chili seasoning. These coatings give the popcorn a shiny appearance and offer a variety of flavors designed to appeal to different consumer tastes. After cooling, the popcorn is carefully packaged into bags or boxes and prepared for distribution, ready to reach consumers as a crunchy and satisfying snack. In addition to producing food products, some corn is harvested for a completely different purpose, to become seeds for future crops. Harvesting corn for seeds requires precise timing and careful quality control to ensure that only the best seeds are selected. The seed corn is harvested when the cobs are fully mature, with dry husks and evenly colored kernels. Each selected cob is carefully inspected to make sure there are no signs of disease, damage, or defects. At this stage, American farmers once again rely on advanced machinery to harvest the corn quickly and accurately while minimizing manual labor. After harvesting, the corn intended for seeds is transported to specialized seed processing facilities. First, the corn passes through a husking machine where the ears are carefully handled before moving to the kernel separation stage. There, specialized machines detach the kernels from the cobs while ensuring the seeds remain intact and undamaged. Next, the seeds are cleaned thoroughly to remove impurities, empty kernels, and any seeds that do not meet quality standards. After cleaning, the seeds are dried under carefully controlled temperature and humidity conditions. This process is essential for maintaining strong germination potential. Once dried, the seeds are sorted by size and quality so that only the highest grade seeds move forward. These seeds are then treated with protective coatings designed to prevent mold, insects, and other pests. The treatment is safe and does not affect the seed's ability to grow. It also gives the seeds a distinctive color, so they can be easily identified. Finally, the corn seeds are packaged into specialized bags labeled with important information, such as the seed variety, production date, and other necessary details. The bags are stored in cool, dry conditions until they are ready to be shipped to farms and agricultural markets. When the next growing season arrives, farmers begin preparing the land once again. In late spring, when soil temperatures reach about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, modern plowing machines are used to loosen the soil. This improves aeration and helps water drain properly. Next, automated seeders plant the seeds at precise depths and spacing to ensure healthy germination. Automated irrigation systems then maintain the correct moisture levels, so the young seedlings can grow strong. As the corn continues to develop, farmers perform regular tilling and weeding, while advanced spraying equipment helps control pests without damaging the crops. And that brings us full circle. Now you've seen the complete journey of how farmers harvest and process billions of pounds of sweet corn every year. It's a remarkable example of how modern technology works hand in hand with the skill, experience, and dedication of farmers. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another fascinating story from the world of farming. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video. Era of Corn.